Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. We're back again this week to give you some more information on planting container gardens.
This week we're going to show you how to make a cactus or succulent garden in a pot. We're basically going to follow the same steps as we did for the potted plants as we did last week.
However, when dealing with cactus and succulents, you need to be aware of some very important differences. The main difference between these plants and ornamental shrubs and flowers is in the way that water is moved and used inside the plants. The woody ornamentals and bedding plants have delicate hair roots that can suck up water from the moist soil but will die if they dry out for very long. They must send up water to the leaves whenever they need it. But when the need for water slows down, the roots can store some of the excess until it is needed.
Cactus and succulents have roots that are totally different in that they can go dormant in dry conditions and not die. These plants live off water that the roots have pumped into their stems and leaves whenever moisture is available to them.
This is why they can survive so long without regular watering. The roots will actually rot and die if they are kept too wet.
This is also why the soil they are planted in should be coarser and have less organic matter that holds more water. Our Dr. Q succulent and cactus mix is specifically made for these plants.
Because the roots of these plants do not grow as deep as ornamental shrubs and flowers, you can choose a pot that is shallower. Pour the planting mix into the container and then arrange your plants in whatever pattern that is most appealing to you.
Keep in mind that you can leave ample space in your arrangement to add decorative toppers on the soil, like colored rocks or mosses. It's best to start with smaller plants of however many varieties you want to include in your garden.
Add more of the potting mix to pack in around your plants, but make sure not to bury them any deeper than they were in their original pots.
Now you can add your toppers if you wish, and then water in your garden with a light sprinkling or a mister. As the plants grow larger, you can keep them trimmed back, or you can transplant individual ones into separate pots.
For more information, stop by one of our store locations or visit us at starnursery.com or our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your nearest Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment.
Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing. I'm Dr. Q.
And I'm Joey Lynn.
And we'll see you again next week.